I'm going to be making clear slime. Now this is going to be awesome. So I'm going to be using glue, water, and I'm going to be mixing the water in with my glue. So I'm going to mix it. Kind of looks a little bit weird, but just keep mixing. And then when we're done and we mix it all up with our slime activator, put it in the fridge.
When you put it in the fridge or in the freezer?
And then you put it in the fridge, it'll be all see-through. Now, slime activator. Now this is going to be working really fast. So this is how it's coming out. Very bubbly. And if it's very bubbly, that's why I was mentioning putting it in the fridge. So I'm just going to keep mixing it. So I am mixing it in. It's getting very thick. Now this is turning out great. So we're going to keep mixing, adding more of our thing. It's very bubbly because of the activator that we're using. So I'm just going to keep mixing till it all comes together. If it's not how you want your slime to be and it's very sticky, add more solution. Add some on your hands to make your hands so it won't stick to your hands. And mix it up. So until it forms, I'm just going to keep kneading it, poking it. As you can see, when I'm poking it, it's very very soft and stuff. It's kind of like a soft cloud, but a playful cloud. And when I put it in the fridge and let it sit there for 3 to 5 minutes, it will be see-through like a window. But for now, I'm just going to be playing with it and kneading it until it forms. Right now, it's still sticky, and I'm not looking for a sticky consistency. So I'm just going to keep adding until it gets non-stickable. But if you have hot hands, then I would recommend you to have a lot of slime activator because it's going to be sticking like this. And it won't be as playful as you thought it would be. So I'm just going to keep adding. Right now it's not clear. It's not clear because it has so many bubbles in it. Very small bubbles, as you can see. If your slime gets too hard, like very rough, add a little bit of water. Hello everybody, I'm back from about 17 minutes. I put this in the fridge at 5. So, I've added blue food coloring. It's very transparent. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you how I make my clear transparent blue clear slime do flipping. So I'm going to kind of get it off of the bowl and ready and throw it in the air and catch it. Okay, as you can see, that one was a fail. So